Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on OPPO A98. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and in the top search find Firefox. Now you can install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app, and now we can configure it with first thing to set as a default browser. Then, set as a default browser. You can also skip it, and here choose a Firefox and click on Set as Default. Now you can sign in to turn on synchronization between other Firefox browsers, and I'm gonna skip it. Enable notifications and allow them like this. Now the browser is ready and we can open a website to check how it works. Yep, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.